Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students. Subject reasoning. Chapter number 8. Lecture number 8. Today's topic is alphabet series. So beta, today we will learn about alphabet series. What are alphabet series? In alphabet series section, a string of alphabets either in a single file or in combination form a sequence. This sequence comes together following a definite rule. बेटा अल्फाबेट सीरीज के अंदर क्या होता है कि हमें एक सिंगल फाइल नजर आती है या कॉम्बिनेशंस नजर आते हैं, ठीक है, और वो एक सीक्वेंस में दिए होते हैं और उसका कोई ना कोई रूल होता है, उस रूल के अकॉर्डिंग हमें हर सीक्वेंस दिया होता है. ओके, most of the times an alphabet series or sequence will be present and you will have to find the missing term. ठीक है, आपको अल्फाबेट सीरीज या सीक्वेंस दिया होगा और जो मिसिंग टर्म है आपने उस मिसिंग टर्म को फिल करना होता है. ओके, now beta we will learn it with this example. Here it is given EH, IL, MP, dash, and the options are in A KL, B HG, C MO, and in D QT. Okay, so beta we all know alphabets, English alphabets. There are 26 letters in our alphabets. Now we have to see there is a relationship between them and we have to find out the relationship between these letters. So here first two letters are E and H. So here in E and H there are two letters missing, that is F and G. Okay, and after H it is written here I. Okay, and what is the relationship between I and L? Again there are two letters missing, J and K, because after I J and K comes, then L comes. Okay, and after L M letter will come. Then what is the relationship between M and P? Again two letters are missing, that is N and. So what we observed by this, that there are two letters missing between these two letters. Okay, and the next one is starting from the next letter, means after H I, after L M. So after P which letter comes? That is Q. So next letter should be Q, and after Q we have to leave two letters, that is R and S, and after that which letter comes? T. R और S छोड़ने के बाद कौन सा लेटर आएगा? T. So what should be in this blank? That is Q and T, and Q and T is another option in option number D. So option number D is correct, Q and T. Understood बेटा? यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया, जो हमें ये दिया हुआ था इसका हमने रिलेशनशिप निकाला है. E और H के बीच में दो लेटर्स F और G ये मिसिंग थे. फिर H के बाद आता है I और L के बीच में फिर से J और K मिसिंग थे. L के बाद हमारा कौन सा लेटर आता है? M और P के बीच में N और O लेटर जो है वो मिसिंग थे. ओके, अब P के बाद क्या आएगा? Q, और Q के बाद हमने फिर से टू लेटर्स को लीव करना है, दैट इज R एंड S. तो R और S के बाद क्या आता है? T. तो Q और T जो है वो हमारा नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन में आना चाहिए, यहाँ पे डैश पे. ओके, और ये Q और T कौन सी ऑप्शन में है? दैट इज इन D. सो आवर D ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. अंडरस्टूड? यू हैव टू डू अकॉर्डिंगली homework. Now beta you have to do homework of chapter number 8. I am giving you 5 questions to do. Okay, so in question number 1 it is given Z1, W4, then dash, then Q10, and the options are V7, T7, V5 and Q10. Okay, So you have to see what is the relationship between alphabets and numbers. Okay, and then you have to fill this blank. In question number 2, A, B, B, C, C, D dash, and options are in A, D, E, B, A, D, C, B, A, and D, C. So you have to fill accordingly. In question number 3, S, E, T, D, U, C, and dash, and the options are T, U, W, A, V, B, and S, C. Now in number 4, A, B, C, H, I, J, then dash, V, W, X. So you have to see the relationship between these. Okay, how many letters are missing here? Okay, and then you have to fill this blank. Now in question number 5, A, Z, B, Y, dash, D, W, and options are A, X, C, W, D, B, C, X. Understood? Now homework discussion, topic coding 1, chapter number 7, lecture number 7. Now in question number 1, it is given if 2 is coded as P, 3 as N, 9 as Q, 5 as R, 4 as A, and 6 as B. How is 599423 coded in that code? And these are our options in A, E, I, D, B, C, B, R, Q, P, A, N, B, C, E, I, M, D, B, C, in D, R, Q, Q, A, P, N. So first of all, beta, we will write what is given to us. It is given 2 code P, 3 coded N, 9 coded Q, 5 coded R, 4 coded as A, and 6 coded as B. Okay, it is given to us. Now we have to code 599423. So first of all, here it is 5. So first of all, we will see 5 is coded as R. So in place of 5, we will write R. Then 9. 9 is coded as Q. So in place of 9, we will write Q. Here again 9 is given. So we will write again Q. Okay. Then 4. 4 is coded as A. So in place of 4, we will write A. 2. 2 is coded as P. So in place of 2, we will write P. And in place of 3, we will write N. So our answer is R, Q, Q, A, P, N. So in which option it is? It is in option number D. So our option number D is correct. R, Q, Q, A, P, N. Understood? Now in question number 2, if 3456 is coded as ROPE Rob, 15526 is coded as Apple APPLE, then how is 54613 coded? And our options are in A, RPPEO, in B, ROPEA, C, POEAR, and in D, PARE. So first of all, we will see what is given to us, and it is given ROPE, roll. R stands for 3 here, O stands for 4 here, P stands for 5, and E stands for 6. And in second, it is given A is equal to 1, P 5, P 5, same, L 2, and E 6. Now we have to code 54613. So how it is coded? So first of all, 5 is there. So see, 5 is equal to P here. So first of all, we will code it P. Now after 5, what is given? That is 4, and 4 is coded as O. Then 6. 6 is coded as E. You can see from here or here, wherever it is given. Okay. Same is given. Here E is equal to 6 and here also E is equal to 6. So we will write E. And 1 is coded as A. And 3, for 3 it is R. So our answer is POEAR. Okay. So where is this? This is in option number C. So option C is correct. POEAR. Now in question number 3, if paint, PAINT, paint is coded as 74128 and EXCEL, Excel, is coded as 93596, then how would you encode except ACCEPT? And our options are in A 455978, B 547978, C 554978 and in D 735961. So first of all we will see what is given to us. We have given paint. Okay. Here P is coded as 7, A 4, I 1, N 2, T 8 and Excel E 9, X 3, C 5, E 9 and L 6. Okay. So first of all we will see we have to encode except. So first of all we will write except. So here A is given and A is coded as 4. So first of all we will write 4. Then C. C is coded as 5. So there are 2 times C. So we will write 2 times 5. Then E. E is coded as 9. P. P is coded as 7. And T. T is coded as 8. So which option is correct option? That is A. In A part 4, 5, 5, 9, 7, 8. So option A is correct. Understood? Now in D part, if 15789 is written as XTZAL, okay, and 2346 is written as NPSU, how is 23549 written in that code? So these are the options. So first of all we will see what is given to us, and it is given 1X 5T 7Z 8A 9L. Okay, and here 2346, this is given 2 coded as N, 3 P, 4 S, 6 U. Now we have to encode 23549. So for 2 we have encoded it like N, okay, and 3 P, 5 T, 4 S and 9 L. So our answer is NPTSL. NPTSL. Okay, so NPTSL is in option C. So our option C is correct. Now beta, in question number 5 it is given if dome, D-O-M-E, dome is written as 8943 and meal, M-E-A-L, meal is written as 4321, what groups of letters can be formed by 38249? Okay, so first of all we will write what is given to us, that is D-O-M-E, dome. D here coded as 8, O 9, M 4, E 3 and meal, M here coded as 4, E 3, A 2, L 1. And now we have to see the group of letters that is formed by 3, 8, 2, 4, 9. So first of all 3 is there. So 3 is coded as E, 8 is coded as D, 2 A, 4 M, 9 O. So our answer is EDAMO, and EDAMO is in our option number C. So option C is correct. EDAMO. Understood? Thank you.